Hey, this is Kevin from Made in the Shade East Valley in Gilbert, Arizona. This video is specifically for the Cambria and Chandler, and this is an intro video. We're going to give a series of videos that show how their particular motors and switches and shades all work together so that over time, different engineers, different maintenance people can look at these videos and know how to program and handle the shades here themselves. So in this particular application, it's a Somfy motor. This is the motor right here that gets inserted into the tube. And if we can come up on a close-up on this motor, I want to show you a few things. There are a couple of wires. This is the charging port wire. These can break right down here at the bottom, and that is a concern. So we need to be careful about that. And this is the antenna wire. And these we are finding at this property, many of them broken. So we're going to tape them to the fascia for future, or recommend them taping so that they can stop breaking. On the end here are clips. This is what they're supposed to look like, a little hook that goes down into the bracket. And as you can see on this one, those hooks are broken off. And we're seeing that quite frequently. So we're gonna give a supply of those so that they can replace those. It actually is a little bit dangerous. They can fall when those start to break. And I think they're breaking from being taken out improperly over time. Or installed improperly. We're finding a lot of these really installed too tightly where they should have been redone before they got rehung, and they weren't. This is the DecoFlex switch that is run in this hotel. So the top 4 buttons are all programmable. We have a stop. If you're referring to written instructions, that stop is the same thing as a My button, M-Y. So oftentimes Somfy instructions talk about a My button. On this one it's the stop. And then we have our up and our down, and that's the programming hole right there beside the down arrow that we insert a paper clip in to show the motor, to combine it with this particular switch. So that's it for the quick tutorial of what you have here. One more thing on the motor I should have shown. There is a programming button right here. And if you press and hold it, I'm going to hold it, this end over here will turn. We're going to do that motion quite a bit. That press and hold is important because if all you do is press, it's going to go into manual operation. So let's say it loses sync with this switch. If you come up to it and just press, it'll come down. And then you press again and stop, and press again and it'll go up. That's manual operation. We don't want that typically. We want to press and hold because we're doing a lot of programming today.